Hello guys, here's a quick guide on how to refresh your SiriusXM radio in your car. Take note that the instructions are for educational use only and are not officially associated with SiriusXM. Now let's proceed with the steps. For the first step, you have to turn on your car radio. Start your car and make sure your SiriusXM radio is switched on and working. Next, you have to tune to channel 0. Go to channel 0 on your SiriusXM radio. This channel will display your radio ID, which you'll need for the refresh. Next, visit the SiriusXM refresh page. On your phone or computer, search for SiriusXM radio refresh and go to the official refresh page. Next, enter your radio ID. Type in the radio ID shown on your car screen into the form on the refresh website. Then you'll have to send the refresh signal. Follow the website prompts to send the refresh signal to your radio. This usually only takes a few minutes. Keep your radio on. Leave your car radio on and tune to any SiriusXM channel for 5 to 10 minutes so the refresh can fully complete. And finally, check your channels. After the refresh, scroll through your SiriusXM channels to make sure they are all working properly. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.